was a little girl walking down from home to school. This little girl is full of hope that life can be wonderful. Many times she stumbles on a muddy, slippery way. She got up again, running just to know the teacher's story ending. This little girl's dream is to reach the mountain her teacher once gone through. She starts to climb up to the middle, but seems life getting harder. Oh, this life full of tears and sweat to fall. It's hard to get what you desire. Now I see, oh now I know, we have our own journey, come in different ways to be there. Some lost in the way, but some can make it. I'll be one of them, not by my own, but by the grace of God, and I'll be there soon. Wind and storm may come to pull me down and shatters all my dreams. I have a refuge, He holds my hand, He lights and guides the way. Oh, to be there, I will finish the race till the end, knowing God is on my side. Now I see, oh now I know, we have our own journey, come in different ways to be there. Some lost in the way, but some can make it. I'll be one of them, not by my own, but by the grace of God, and I'll be there soon. Now I see, oh now I know, we have our own journey, come in different ways to be there. Some lost in the way, but some can make it. I'll be one of them, not by my own, but by the grace of God, and I'll be there soon. By the grace of God, and I'll be there soon. Come, you broken, heavy laden. Come, you helpless. Come, you in despair. Come, be blessed. Come, be saved. Come, believe. Come, receive the goodness of God's grace. God's grace is amazing, the lifeline of my soul. God's grace is faithful, Jesus conquered all. By grace He died, so I may live. By grace I am saved. Come, you weary, hope and be free. Come, you helpless, lift your misery. Come, be blessed and be blessed. Come, be saved and be saved. Come, believe. Come, receive the goodness of God. obstacle that crosses your way. The light that is right way, though it's hard to enlighten it. The light that is right is Jesus' way. The light is at hand. Always hold on to the light prepared for you. The light that is right way, though it's hard to enlighten it. The light that is right is Jesus' way. eternity. I'll be your shoulder when trouble comes and when pain hurts so bad. In this world full of uncertainties, struggles and defeats, in this life full of precious things, you know these are all the beauties of growing up. I'm your friend with an open door, a friend with an open door. When it seems like the weight of the world go against you, yes, I will be on your side against all odds. When it seems like your efforts came to frustrations, my arms will be reaching you, will stand in prayers. So who am I now is who I am when you have met me, just like yesterday, today and for eternity. I'll be your shoulder when trouble comes and when pain hurts so bad. In this world full of uncertainties, struggles and defeats, in this life full of precious things, you know these are all the beauties of growing up. I'm your friend with an open door, a friend with an open door. Through the years and all time, I will stand to be true, and I'll be faithful to you eternally. A friend with an open door that you can always count on. Though I'm not a perfect friend, still the best of all. I'm your friend with an open door, still the best of all. I'm a friend with an open door, still the best of all. I'm your friend with an open Tens of thousand years from now, you will always be the same. The infinite God, yes you are, ruler of everything. I lift my spirit to glorify your everlasting holiness. On my knees I bow down. You are forever. You are forever. All praises belong to you. died so I may live. You carried my heavy cross. You are my righteousness. How can I repay you? How can I pay you back? What can I do to please you? Where would I begin? Your grace is sufficient and true. I could have fallen without you. Your mercy restores my life. Where would I be without you? Your love is infinite. You're amazing, yes you are. You took all the burden. How grateful I am. Here I am to serve you. It's the least I can do. Here I am to exalt you. Lord, help me to begin. Your grace is sufficient and true. I could have fallen without you. Your mercy restores my life. Where would I be without you? Your grace is sufficient and true. I could have fallen without you. Your mercy restores my life. Where would I be without you? Your grace is sufficient and true. I could have fallen without you. Your mercy restores my life. Where would I be without you? In troubled time, I look upon you. In troubled mind, I seek your face. These restless days, these restless nights, I won't be afraid, I won't despair. Oh, I know this is just a test. I may fail, but I'll do my best. For there's an eye watching over. I won't give up, I won't be dismayed. I won't be afraid, I won't despair. is a cross. I may stumble, fighting for the cause. I will stand firm until the end. I won't surrender, I won't be distressed. Oh, I know this won't be over, for I know there's God above. Yes, I know He won't forsake me. I keep my faith and keep my belief. I won't be afraid, I won't despair, I won't give up, I won't be dismayed, I won't surrender, I won't be distressed. I keep my faith and keep my belief. I won't be afraid, I won't despair, I won't give up, I won't be dismayed, I won't surrender, I won't be distressed. I keep my faith and keep my belief. I keep my faith and keep my belief. Living by grace, living by grace. I'm living by grace, I'm living by God's grace. Living by grace, living by grace. I'm saved, I'm forgiven by God's grace. I am once a prisoner and captive of sin. Life was difficult and tormented by shame. The day I met Jesus, my burden vanished away. He took all the load and lead me the way.